Hello, and thank you for joining the JunoPayments demo of Instant Accept. Today we're going to show you how to go through Instant Accept and create an invoice within your QuickBooks Financial that covers Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. We're going to take a payment on that invoice and close out that invoice all within the same system. So first things first is you're going to log into your Instant Accept when you open your QuickBooks. From there, when you're ready to create an invoice, you're going to choose Create Invoice. From here, you're going to choose your customer that you'd like to pay. I'm going to grab Joe Schmo here. You're going to choose your items. And then you're going to save and close or save and new. Now you can also do this from your Customer Center. So if I go over to my Customer Center, I can go over and choose Joe Schmo again and choose to create an invoice as well. Either way is fine. It does not matter where you create those invoices, as long as you create them somewhere within your QuickBooks. When you're ready to take a payment on the invoice, you can take a payment from this screen in your Customer Centers and just choose to receive payments right here. Or you can choose to receive payment from your home screen. Choose your customer, choose your amount or choose your invoice here, so I'm going to pay this invoice, and choose your card type. From here you're not going to put any additional information into the screen. What you're going to do is you're going to save and close, and this is where Instant Accept is going to take over that payment method. So in this screen here you can either choose to swipe or key in your card information. You can enter in your address information for AVS. We do support that. This will be sent along with the transaction. We do have the ability to store a card inside of here. If you choose to save profile, the next time we come in under Joe Schmo, we'll only be able to see the last 4 digits of the card number. You can choose to create a recurring payment from within here. If you do that, you have an additional pop-out over here where you can create a recurring only payment. What that means is it's a payment that's going to start in the future. You can choose your billing cycle. You can choose a start date. And you can also put a max in. So we do have the ability to create that recurring payment from over here. And we also support level 2 and level 3 processing. If you do support purchase cards, this is something that you'd be able to open up and fill out as well. Outside of that, the only necessary information you need to process is going to be up top here. When you're ready, you're going to choose Save. It's going to ask if it's a card present transaction, yes or no. And then from here, this is what I call the last chance screen. You're able to make sure that everything you entered in is correct. You can edit or delete and add a different payment method if you need to. Otherwise, you'll go ahead and click Process. Once you get your check marks here, that means you've processed successfully. You can email a receipt out from the system. You can key right into the system here. Or if you have an email on file in your Customer Center, that'll automatically generate in here. And you can also add in a semicolon in between each email address if you want to send to multiple email addresses. You do not have to email your receipt. You can simply just cancel out of this screen. You can print, you can home screen in QuickBooks. From here, I'm able to go ahead and pull up my invoice here. And you can see that my invoice does reflect as paid. You can view that my payments applied was that full $35 and my balance due is $0. And that is it for today to go through how to create and pay an invoice. Thank you for your time.